I don't wanna be her. I just wanna be little old me. I shouldn't have to think, who am I supposed to be today? And what gave you the right to tell me who I should be? Who gave you that right? 'Cause